Today we are in Kericho, the region that produces 60% of the country's tea production. And today we demystify for you, our viewers, the tea making process.
Actually, tea starts from the farms. Once the teas have been plucked, they are transported all the way to the factory. Once in the factory, the leaf assessors check on the quality of that leaf to really ascertain that the right quality that we require in the factory.
After assessment, the leaf is then weighed and offloaded onto troughs where it is left to wither.
In the troughs, they are spread evenly so that by the time the fans are running, air is going to be sending uniformly across all these leaves which has been spread.
The withering process takes between 12 to 24 hours, depending on the prevailing weather conditions.
Once the leaf has attained the right weather, this leaf is sent to a machine called a rotaven, where maceration process takes place. Maceration is a process of size reduction.
The leaf size reduction is essential as it allows the leaf to achieve the right texture and size, which makes it easy for the processes ahead, such as oxidation.
Now this type of leaf undergoes the first cut, and this is the product that you are going to get. It is coarser compared to this one. Now this will be the second cut. You get finer leaf comparative. You go to the third cut. Here, that leaf is cut, you get this type of leaf. And then you go to the fourth cut, you get this very fine leaf. Comparatively, what you are trying to get is the right size. The enzymes that are actually in the leaf, what we call the polyphenol oxidase enzyme, works on this leaf. Through oxidation, you get the right quality of leaf that you really want.
The process takes between 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours, and the oxidation makes the leaf acquire its coloring. At this particular point, one can say tea is ready.
But now the quality has not been kept. So the next step is drying, whereby teas are actually subjected to high temperatures.
The oxidized leaf passes through 3 heating phases, a process that takes between half an hour and 45 minutes.
From the first end, it takes about 120 to 150 degrees centigrade. Then now the next phase, it goes to around 100. Then now at the end point, it is at around 100 degrees also. Now at that point, that tea is ready.
However, tea must still go through a grading process where different brands are sorted and packed differently. But what informs the grading?
The aroma that you are going to get in the leaf will vary based on the conditions that you subjected that leaf to during the process of oxidation. But generally, this is also inherent in the type of leaf that you will have used in making your tea. And there's some various areas where you can get varying aromas depending on the altitude of that particular place and the growing conditions. The slower it is, the better the kind of teas that you're going to get.
From here, the different tea brands are then tested to a certain quality, after which they are then packed either for export or for delivery at your local retail shop and supermarket shelves countrywide. Megbu Mwangi, The Backroom.